A very good evening, students. How are you all? And yesterday, in the previous class, we were concluding about our letter writing. And today, we are also moving to one more type of letter writing, that is application for job. Usually, बेटा आप लोगों ने जैसे सुना होगा कि application for a job. That means you are writing an application. कि आपने कहीं पे भी न्यूज़पेपर में एडवर्टीजमेंट के थ्रू यू कम टू नो दैट देयर इज़ अ सिचुएशन वेकेंट एंड सिचुएशन वांटेड. You know there is two types of words which we have used here. One is situation wanted. That means you are in need of job. Are you getting me, sir? That means you are in need of job. And one is situation vacant. Again I am repeating that situation vacant, that there is a job for you, that you can apply for that if you are perfectly working as for that purpose and you are qualified for that. Okay beta. Now how to write an application for a job? Usually it must be very polite and very formal. And second thing that you must always remember, that you should not write any fake things in that. Because whenever you are writing a letter, firstly you write an application, okay? In that application, you make it ensure to the firm or organization or any school, any institute. You just make him confirm by your application that you are perfect for job and it is going to be worthy for them if you work over there. But if you are writing an application, you must conclude with thanking and yours sincerely, and after that there is one more process, that is you have to write a resume over there. That means whenever you are writing a resume, it is always fixed in a box. Okay beta? And whenever it is fixed in a box, resume is always written in a capital letters. And what all things you have to write? You have to write your name, your father's name, are you a male or a female, what is your date of birth, and what is your email ID, and even your permanent address. Now that is the personal view of yours. Now even whenever you are applying for a post, so that means you must be qualified for that post. For that you have to mention the qualification. Okay beta. Now what happens, that whenever you are writing a letter, that is the application for a job, it must be in a very polite and very formalistical way. And now I will help you to how to write a application for job. Okay beta. Now let's do the format, and that too with the help of a अच्छा लग रहा था सुनने में. Start. Okay, you have in an example, write an application in 120 to 150. Here is application and resume. Okay beta? That receptionist advised in a national newspaper. Now you will come to know that what actually national newspaper. इसमें क्या है बेटा, जो national newspapers है बेटा, उसमें the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, मतलब बेटे जब भी आप national newspaper की बात करते हैं तो आप इसमें उन्हीं newspapers के नाम लिखेंगे जिनका medium English है. बाय मेहता पब्लिकेशन. अब आपने देखा कि मैंने यहाँ बाय का यूज़ किया है, तो यहाँ पे बाय से मतलब क्या है बेटा कि ये एक रिसीवर्स एड्रेस है, माल रोड पुणे. दिस इज टोटल एन एड्रेस. ओके, you are, whenever you come to know that you are, that means you are here, it is mentioned in self address, and by means the receiver's address. And date, how to write a date, that I told you earlier in the class, that you will not write date over there beta. What you are going to write, like if today, if we write like 21st April 2020, okay, then this format you have to write the date. Then after that subject, application for the post of receptionist, because here also we have already mentioned that there is a post for the receptionist. This you will get in the question paper only, that in the question form. And how to write, then you have to write the salutation. Okay, हाउ टू राइट, यूजुअली क्या होता है बेटा कि आपका एक जो फॉर्मेट है वो इस तरीके से लिखा होना चाहिए कि जो एग्जामिनर को ना केवल अट्रैक्ट करे लेकिन उसके साथ साथ आपकी खुद की भी विकैब इनरिच होनी चाहिए आपको, और दूसरों को पढ़ते वक्त लगना चाहिए कि ही इज और शी इज अ मैच्योर चाइल्ड एंड ही इज यूजिंग द वर्थी वर्ड एंड रिच वर्ड्स. Like this is with reference to your advertisement publish. अब एडवर्टाइजमेंट पब्लिश का मतलब, क्योंकि अभी अभी हमने बात किया कि नेशनल डेली के अंदर आपको ये एडवर्टीजमेंट, आपने देखा होगा संडे को न्यूज़पेपर पूरा सिचुएशन वेकिंग से भरा हुआ होता है. एंड इन द हिंदू ऑन हियर, यहाँ पे ये जो डॉट डाला है बेटा ये इसलिए डाला है कि आप इसमें अपनी जो डेट है उसे मेंशन कर सकें. फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ रिसेप्शनिस्ट, ये भी हमें पता ही है क्योंकि हमारे क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ रिसेप्शनिस्ट दिया हुआ है बच्चे. I would like to put forth, that means you are willing to do that, okay, my application for the same. That means you are writing that application for the post which is mentioned in the advertisement. And I am graduate in arts from SNDT University. This you have to write accordingly बेटा. अकॉर्डिंगली का मतलब आप समझ रहे हैं मैं यहाँ पे किस लिए इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. जैसे कि अगर मैं कहती हूँ कि आई एम पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट इन इंग्लिश, तो इससे मतलब क्या हुआ कि मैं अकॉर्डिंगली कि मैंने HCAT क्वालिफाई किया हुआ है, मैं MA हूँ, और इन सब चीज़ों से रिलेटेड मैं अपनी क्वालिफिकेशंस को अपडेट करती हूँ कि हाउ मच क्वालिफाइड आई एम एंड हाउ अप्लीकेबल आई एम फॉर दैट जॉब. And here also SNDT University, I have also done a secretarial practice. This is a word that means you are perfect in the secretary works. Like you are a perfect worker as a receptionist. Okay. Practice course from YWCA Mumbai. I am well versed in shorthand. That means even you are having a further qualities like you can write shorthand and MS Office. That means even you are having the computer knowledge too, which is present very updated towards. I would request you to consider my application for the post of the receptionist. Looking forward to a positive reply. That means here the writer, that means who is writing that application, he is willing to do that work and even hoping that he or she will get job over there. This is an application beta, and here you are going to conclude that with thanking you, your truly Radhika, as it is mentioned over here that you are Radhika. Okay beta. Now here was an application. Now you have to add the resume. In resume you have to write in capital letters and always it is put in a box. Always resume is put in a box, and firstly you have to write the name, that is your name, your father's name, gender, date of birth, address, email ID. Okay beta. Now this was a personal view of yours. Now it is an academic qualification. That means if you are not having this qualification you would not be applicable for that job. So you have to satisfy the firm, the company or the institute, school by this academic qualification. Okay. Secretarial practice course from YMT Mumbai in, you can just write the year when you passed it, then graduation from which university and which year. SSLC from St. Teresa Pune with the 65%, that is an aggregate marks. Even you can write in a percentage form also. SSC from St. Pedro Mahi with 68 aggregate. Here also you are mentioning the percentage. Language known by you, that is English, Marathi, Hindi or any foreign language also you can mention over here. Hobbies, reading and listening music. Okay beta, this is regarding the letters application job where you just say about your hobbies, how much language you all know. That was in foreign and receptionist. But if we say beta, this application is for a teacher. For here you will write as an experience. Like you say that I have an experience in ITTAV school for 4 years. Okay. Now you have write the 4 years experience. Okay beta, now you have just mentioned in your resume, so what you will do, there would be a second step, that is reference. That means if you have written 4 years experience, लेकिन जिस संस्था में आप इसको एप्लीकेशन एक्सपीरियंस को लिख रहे हो तो उसमें आपको ये तो नहीं पता कि जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो कितना सही है और कितना गलत है। अब आपको रेफरेंस देना पड़ेगा। रेफरेंस के अंदर आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा बेटा, कि आपको प्रिंसिपल और मैनेजमेंट और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ IDDAV स्कूल। ओके बेटा, इस तरीके से हमने पूरा का पूरा फॉर्मेट कि किस तरीके से हमने अपनी जॉब एप्लीकेशन को लिखना है उसे करने की कोशिश की है। आपके अगर कोई भी डाउट हो रेलिवेंटली, यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट इन अ क्वेश्चन टैग। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच स्टूडेंट्स।